Professor Black Ops, you see it. Let's get it. Ongoing dual outage calls, Azure authentication errors. I was trying to lab today and I was getting a few errors, so I thought it was me. So let's check on this quick outage. Cisco-owned multi-factor authentication slash MFA provider Dual Security is investigating ongoing outage that has been causing authentication failures and errors starting 3 hours ago, which is probably 5 hours ago since when this article came out. The outage has led to core authentication services issues across multiple dual servers, triggering Azure authentication errors for Azure Conditional Access integration and the system-wide outage. While the Azure Auth issued auto-resolve, customers were still reporting experiencing problems, including authentication slowness and failures when logging in. Once again, I was labbing a little bit and I saw those errors. Some users also see system under heavy load. Please wait a few minutes, try again. Errors trying to sign in using Duo, according to reports on the outage tracking site Down Detector. We're currently investigating authentication errors in Duo 1 and are working to correct those issues as soon as possible. The company said an incident report filed over 3 hours ago. We'll continue to work towards a resolution for these errors. Duo added 30 minutes ago following a previously update saying that I had identified the issues causing the authentication slowness and failures to load Duo prompt and are working towards resolution. So you can see right there is Azure authentication errors in orange. And that's the big red right there. Authentication slowness or failures to load Duo prompt on Duo 1. According to the company's status page, Duo Cloud hosted single sign-on and push delivery service are currently affected by major outages. On the other hand, HTTPS 443 and LDAP 389 endpoints used by its core authentication service will only hit what Duo describes as a partial outage. Duo MFA, SOA, remote access, device trust, and access control services are used by over 40,000 customers, ranging from small and mid-sized business to state, local, and federal government agencies. Yeah, I know a few state agencies that use that. Once again, PBO was trying to do some labs, ongoing Duo outage calls, Azure authentication errors. What are we going to do? So for your incident response, you need to figure out now if your Duo is out, and that's how your admins, your SAs, and your DBA works. How can you have a backup procedure or backup, I guess, MFA to be able to actually get to those resources and be able to work on them? Once again, it's incident response time. So if Duo's down and you can't get to it, how you going to get to your back end? PBL was like, uh-oh, he can't lab today. Once again, Professor Black Ops, please subscribe.